So we have to come back to the bare necessities. Abhi, now if you take Vedas mein hai ye chakras and Veda Upanishads mein about the chakras. If you noticed, if you've seen in Vedic times, back in the days, I'm talking of so many years ago, centuries ago, during Vedic times, the equation was 1:99, which means earlier on they used to worship rain gods and mountain gods and fire gods. They used to worship nature. That was God for them. Correct?
Right.
And 1% was the materialistic life. जो खाने पीने को जो चीजें चाहिए वो सब था. Right? So
Right.
1% materialistic, 99% worshipping, and all these things were going on. Today, it has reversed exactly the opposite. 99% we have become materialistic, and 1% we are connecting to ourselves, to the metaphysical side of ours. So what we are seeing today is all done by us, that we all know. Now we've accepted. But now how to get out of the situation? That's why they are now insisting so much that you pray. That you pray, of course, you follow your hygiene and washing hands and all that. What is that? Immunity levels आपके ठीक ठाक करो, ये करो, वो करो, उस हिसाब से खाना, योगा करो, प्राणायाम करो, फलाना ढिमकाना, वो जो भी करो. We are taking care of physical immunity. What about your emotional and mental immunity?
True.
Who's going to take care of that?
Absolutely.
That is why all the masters who've been talking, all the gurus who've been talking, they've been talking of connecting with yourself. Do some kind of a prayer, do something, do some meditation, see nice things, watch nice stuff on Netflix or whatever you're watching. Don't watch these harsh language and violent type of things, all that. So everyone is saying that prayer is the only thing that will get us out of this. Nobody knows where this corona is and how to tackle with it, because you can't see it. You don't know what hangama it's creating. So only the metaphysical can attack the metaphysical, or take care of them. I won't use the word attack. Like they say, fight the corona, defeat the corona. You can't fight somebody you can't see.
True.
So let it be. The planet will heal itself by itself, but take care of your own immunity, not just physical immunity, but your emotional and mental immunity too.
Absolutely.
So that's where the chakras are all coming in. That's why I insist on doing the chakra dhyana, which I can tell you all to do. Now, I will not go so much in detail. I'm not going to take a class of chakras now because it is impossible. If we have to, if you all are interested in doing the class, I can definitely do a class for you. Of course, it will be over 2 or 3 days. Of course, it will be paid. And then Himadri can select. You can always tell him. Then I can take a class. I have no problem. I love doing the class. So that you all understand what they are, why are they important. Like, a lot of things we just do without understanding the reasoning behind it. Like a lot of गायत्री मंत्र लोग करते हैं, महामृत्युंजय जप लोग करते हैं, उसका असर वैसे भी पड़ता है, बट जब आप उसका मीनिंग जानते हो तो एक इमोशन अटैच हो जाता है.
Absolutely.
Yeah. So we need to attach the emotion. Now, till then, or if you don't even do the class, I can tell you certain things. On my YouTube channel, I have this chakras for beginners. There are 2 videos. One doesn't have a voice, but it is there still. And the other one has a voice. So there'll be 2. So check the one which has got a voice. Chakra meditation for beginners. You can follow that and start doing the chakra meditation. No matter what, it will definitely help you.
Okay.
It will definitely help you. At least you can start doing that as a tip. I can tell you to start doing that. Do subscribe for the channel also. So because I've got almost about 500 videos on that YouTube channel, all relating to spirituality and how you can sort of your daily life कैसे lead करना है, कुछ problems आती हैं, forgiveness कैसे करना है, how to feel love, and so many things are there on that YouTube video. If you can check that out. But just now, when we are on the chakra topic, I can tell you, please do the chakra dhyana following that video. पहले सुन लो पहले video को, and then you can follow it with me. So
So that video possibly would be explaining all the 7 mantras as well from
Bija mantras. They're called Bija mantras.
Bij mantras. Great. So Smita ji, I was a small point. Now you mentioned that there is a process we need to undergo. A process like a seed when it is sown. It's pretty hard, the outer shell. But for it to germinate into a shoot and become a plant and then become a massive tree, it has to undergo a transformation.
Yes.
Transformation is not very easy. If it were to bypass any stage, well, it's going to be either stunted or it will die pretty soon. It'll not come up to the height that it has been designed to.
Yeah.
Similarly, we also need to undergo that process where we can attain our own heights that our maker wanted us to. Great. Now that is one thing. दूसरी एक बात मेरे मन में बहुत समय से है कि एक जमाना था जहां पे आदि मानव या आदि योगी भगवान शिव, he used to walk amongst men.
Yes.
Had Shri Ram and Shri Krishna, they used to walk amongst men. Jesus used to walk amongst men and they used to guide people to move up the right side. Over the years, why has it happened that, again, it's not that the same people are not amongst us or not around us, but so many layers have now started coming between us and them that these blurred visions that we keep getting, they mislead us, misguide us, and we go off on the wrong track. How exactly do we need to, or what exactly do we need to do so that this blurry image gets a little more clear? Because अगर उस समय शिव थे, उस समय कृष्ण थे और वो ह्यूमन फॉर्म में थे, इंसान रूप में थे, तो अब भी तो होंगे मार्गदर्शन करने के लिए. They would be very much be around us somewhere here. How do I really figure out that they are somewhere close to me? Where do I need to go and seek them? How them?
Yeah, so the problem is there are a lot of masters who are really genuine masters, but there why this has all happened, because over the years there have been बहुत सारे bogus भी guru हुए हैं, which we know, and that's why people have moved away and they don't have that faith and trust in the masters, which I can quite understand where they're coming from, because फिर वो डर लगता है, बाद में you realize that your master has got feet of clay. वो नहीं होना चाहिए. तो मैं हमेशा जब क्लास लेती हूँ तो सबको यही बोलती हूँ, अगर मेरे ऊपर विश्वास है तो you can come to me, to my master. My master is Maitreya Dadashri ji. We have a small ashram in Karjat, very humble ashram in Karjat. At the moment, there are a lot of programs which are going on online. So, जैसे I feel in life you do need a living master who will guide you. There are non-living masters also, जिनकी हैं, जैसे मेरे साईं बाबा है, but living master is a must. I'll tell you the reason why I feel so. I feel so is, मुझे लगता है कि लाइफ में हर चीज के लिए हम किसी ना किसी का ओपिनियन लेते हैं. जैसे हम कुकिंग जब करते हैं लेडीज, तो फिर भी बोलते हैं कि जरा चख के देखो नमक ठीक है क्या, जरा चख के देखो तीखा ठीक है क्या. When you dress up, you say ठीक है ना, ये ड्रेस मैं शादी में डाली हूँ, ये साड़ी ठीक लगेगी ना. हर छोटी चीज में हम किसी और का ओपिनियन लेते हैं, नहीं लेते?
बिल्कुल बिल्कुल.
So when it comes to a life of which you don't know, head not tail, nothing you know about yourself, उसके लिए आपको नहीं लगता है कि मुझे किसी गाइडेंस की जरूरत है?
सही है.
तो I can understand you don't know whom to make your guru. That I can understand that. But as I said, if you trust me, I can take you there. I can take you there. Then you can decide कि ये मेरे logistics को, मेरी sensitivity, मेरे logic को ये बैठता है, इनका जो है whatever USP of this particular master. If it suits you, fine, stay. You're most welcome. If not, you're free to leave. But you have to go to X, Y, Z, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 gurus till you know that this is my place. This is where I want to be. And for the transformation, like the master can look at you and he can transform you. Change does not entail time. Transformation का अभी ये topic निकला है, तो I'll tell you what our masters have told us about transformation. My Dadashri ji, Maitreya Dadashri ji. This word is again used very often nowadays, but people really don't understand exactly what is transformation. Right? So I'll tell you in a form of a story. you been all know what is an ant ना, ant चींटी. तो चींटी जब जमीन में होती है तो उसको कितनी जमीन दिखाई देती है? Just उतना ही दायरा है. बट यू गो टू अ बर्ड, उसको कितनी जमीन दिखती है? You go to an eagle or a kite, how much of the zameen they can see? The whole picture.
Right.
Correct? So transformation is that you change your perspective towards life from an ant's perspective to a kite's perspective.
Amazing. Amazing.
Like number 6 अगर मैं यहां से ड्रॉ करूं तो मुझे 6 दिखाई देगा. आप लोग उस तरफ है तो आपको सबको 9 दिखाई देगा.
सही है.
तो मैं बोलूंगी what nonsense, there may be 20 people that side but I am alone but I can see the number 6. How can they say that? They'll say, Arey, we are so much in majority, we are saying number 9. She's lying. Who is right? Who's wrong? Nobody. So हमको आदत पड़ गई है कि इतने ही लेवल तक जिंदगी देखना. हमको आदत ही नहीं है कि focus out and see the life. Maybe or what are you saying is right. Let me understand. At least if you're saying it's 9, so let me see. मैं जरा उधर आके देखती हूँ.
Right.
This is where spirituality comes in. आपका दायरा, आपका नजरिया ही बदल जाता है towards life, and this is the transformation.
Absolutely.
So we are constantly in judgment. We are always judging. Ki, why did you do this, Himadri? I don't like this. I didn't like that. अरे but think of it from his point of view कि कहीं पे technical problem आया होगा, कहीं पे कुछ हुआ होगा, कहीं पे we have completely no idea about what spirituality is. It's such a misused word. It is उसको लोगों को कभी-कभी गाली के जैसा लगता है when you say I'm spiritual. अरे बाबा ऐसे मामा माफ करो, you keep your spirituality as well. मुझे इसमें मत घसीटो. ऐसे लोगों की एटीट्यूड हो गई है because actually Dadashi ji says spirituality is simpler than the word simple. These words. क्योंकि वो इतना सिंपल है इसके लिए हम उससे डरते हैं. ऐसा मुझे लगता है कि इतनी सिंपलिसिटी लोगों के माइंड को नहीं जचती ना. कुछ कॉम्प्लिकेटेड बनाओ, कुछ संस्कृत के श्लोक डालो उसमें, कुछ और करो तो लगता है हाँ कुछ मिला.
सही है.